Welcome, I'm is an Alcatel One Touch Idol 5, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, we'll need a SIM eject tool. I have one right here. They come provided in the box with the device, so you can find it somewhere in there. And you can also use a paper clip as long as you straighten out one of the edges. So from here, you want to push out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, so right here, as you can see. And once you push it in, see that the tray pops out and you can take it out. And in here we have access to put in one SIM card, like so, and one SD card. Like so. Make sure that they're laying flush on their tray. And then while holding it securely in place, you want to slide it back into the device. There you go. And there's the pin for the SIM card, so that already means that the SIM card is working. And then there's the icon for the SD card as well. So you can see that both of them are working just fine. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.